How to buy coins on Fire Kirin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy it. First of all, open the application. Now on the top, there's a section where you can see how much coins that you have accumulated. Now in order to buy it more, here there's a buy coins option. Simply tap on buy coins. So here there are different coin section that you can buy from. So here there are even the money that are addressed. Now in order to buy them, you must use your real money. So here you must add your debit or credit card and it will automatically deduct it from your account. So now simply tap on the one, and here you must add all your credentials, and later it will directly pop up and it will be topped up in the account that you are logged in. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.